birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Alright. So Miss B, the number says 6 and 8. So it's 68. She's going to turn 68 on the 21st of December of this month. So Miss B, make a wish and blow your birthday cake candle. 1, 2, 3. Number 28, Tita. Ikaw nga. Dito ka sa harap. And then, let's go on number 16. Number 16, 1, 6. And then, we'll go on number 27. Tingnan po ninyo yung mga numbers ninyo. Number 27. Nag-inis na si Carmen. Number 15. Number 15. Number 13. And then number 30. And then we have number 16. 1, 6. Number 16. Okay, there you have the 6 ladies. Okay, yan po sila. Ano po, okay, ito po yung mga prizes. Congratulations. We have the top 6 first. The judges will give the prizes. Yeah, they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, picture muna tayo. Picture Miss Bing with them. Let's take a photo with the judges, G and Alma. Okay, smile. Closer, closer, please, closer. Okay, smile. Congratulations. Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations. Now we are announcing the top 3. The top 3. Ano po ito? Choice of the judges.
Ayun na kita.
Let me call in front. Number 3. Number 3. And we have number 23. Number 23. Yan.
'cause I need you. I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby. Be mine tonight. Pretty woman, don't walk on by. Pretty woman, don't make me cry. Pretty woman, don't walk away. Hey, it's okay.
May post na.
Two more days.
Ano yan? Damit ko yan, matagal na. Hindi, damit ko yan, matagal na.
Pinakita mo sa akin, di ba? Kaysa dito, no? Kala ko yung
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, don't wanna lie to me. Pretty woman, pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, don't wanna lie to me.
Halina po kayo sa mata. And then let us form a circle. Pagkatapos ay form a circle, go back to dancing. Yeah, form a circle. Form a circle na to.
gagawin ni Coach yata. Or so, give natin.
Form a circle. Okay, listen. Joseph, pakihina nito.
Ganyan ba? Diba? Yung sinasabi niya.
Okay, circle, circle. Sino pa dyan na ipag-exchange gift? Okay, sino? Sige na, ang dami lang naman eh. Okay na.
Ay, lasing ka.
Okay, form a circle. Circle na tayo, circle. Circle. Ready? Yan. Makikinig po tayo ha, makikinig. Kasi ito magbibigay ng direksyon. Kung either ipapasa natin sa kanan o sa kaliwa. Okay? So listen, this is a Christmas story. Christmas was almost here and Mother Wright was finishing the Christmas baking. Pag sinabi ng right, ilagay niyo sa right side. Yan. Okay. Okay. Father Wright. Right ulit, right? Sue Wright and Baby Wright and Billy Wright returned from their last-minute Christmas errands. There's not much left. Listen. Left to be done, said Father Wright as he came to the kitchen. Did you leave the basket of food at church? Asked Mother Wright. I left it right where you told me to, said Father Wright. I am glad my shopping son, said Billy Wright. I don't have any money left. The whole telephone rang and Susan Wright left to answer it. She rushed back and told the family. Aunt Tilly Wright left a package for us right on Grandma's right part. I'll go over here right now and get it, she said as she left in a rush. Father Wright left the kitchen, brought in on the Christmas tree. By the same Susan Wright returned. Mother Wright, Father Wright, and Billy Wright had begun trimming the tree. Then the Wright family sang carols as they finished the decorating. Then they left all the presents arranged under the tree and went to bed, hoping they had selected the right gifts for their family. Now, I hope you have the right present for yourself because that's all that's left of our story. Merry Christmas! Isn't that right? Dumalit, isn't that right? Yes, and that is so good. Right, Boyet, right. And that is your story. Thank you very much. Okay, Miss May, for announcement.
Okay, announcement. Ito na po yung huli natin